a chapter filled with love, laughter, and endless possibilities. As you exchange vows and promises with your partner, I want you to know that I'm here not just as your mother, but as your biggest supporter and cheerleader. I have watched you grow into the incredible person you are today. I have no doubt that you will continue to inspire and uplift those around you with your kindness, compassion, and unwavering spirit. As you embark on this new adventure together, I offer you my blessing and my love. May your marriage be filled with laughter, understanding, and unconditional love. May you always cherish and support each other through the good times and the bad. Remember that love is not just a feeling. It is a choice that you make every single day. Those who love each other fiercely and unconditionally, and your bond will only grow together with time. As your mother and father, I'm so proud of the person you have become, and I'm filled with gratitude for the love that you have found. May your marriage be blessed with happiness, prosperity, and endless love. May your marriage be filled with laughter, understanding, and unwavering love. May you continue to grow together, facing life's challenges hand in hand, and celebrating life's joys with open heart. Know that no matter where life takes you, you will always have a home in my heart. I'm so grateful to have you as my daughter, and I'm so incredibly happy to see you find the loved one that you serve. Congratulations to both of you. On your wedding day, may your love story be as beautiful and enjoying as the love that you share today. Before I end my message, from the bottom of our heart, we want to thank you all for celebrating with us and for being a part of their journey as they begin this new chapter of their lives together. Your presence brought us joy, laughter, and cherished memorable that they will treasure forever.